Today I'm installing the new dishwasher. Please stick with me as I go step by step to get the install completed. The first two steps is to turn off the water to the dishwasher and the power at your breaker box. The next step is to remove the bottom front cover of the dishwasher. This gives you access to the junction box and the water supply. This one easily removes by removing these two screws. Alright, with the front cover off and the junction box cover removed, this gives us access to the wiring. The wires are paired white, black, and ground. Unscrew the wire nuts holding the wires together on the old dishwasher. Quick tip, keep the strain relief from the old dishwasher junction box to use on the new one, just in case it doesn't have one. Next step is to remove the water supply. Quick tip, have a towel on the floor to catch the water that's going to leak out of the line. Next step is to remove the screws from these brackets, which secure the dishwasher to the underside of the kitchen counter. Now the old dishwasher can be removed. And sorry, I lost my footage showing this. Quick tip, if possible, tape the water line and power line to the floor. This will keep them out of the way as you slide in the new dishwasher. Before we slide in the new dishwasher, we want to make sure we install the installation brackets for later attachment to the counter. Quick tip, when you push the dishwasher in, leave the door open. This will prevent the door from possibly getting pushed on and taking damage. With the installation brackets in place, slide the dishwasher into place. Check to see if the dishwasher is level side to side and front to back. Check your manual to see how to adjust the legs so you can make sure that your dishwasher is level. With the dishwasher in place, time to attach the water. My water supply line has a gasket in it, so there's no need for the plumber's tape. As the dishwasher is pushed in, we have to remember to continually feed and remove slack in the drain hose. Tighten the water line and be careful not to over tighten. Alright, with the water line connected, time to move on to the power. Time to remove the junction box cover. First step is to remove the junction box so that the cable relief from the old machine can get installed in the new one, in the new junction box. Alright, with the cable relief installed, feed the electric cables through the strain relief and tighten the two screws to secure it into place. Time to insert the electric cables from the dishwasher through the junction box. With the electric cables fed back through the junction box, time to attach the junction box back to the dishwasher. Alright, time to pair the black, white, and green ground wires together. Tightly twist the screw nut onto each of the matching pairs of wires. With all the wires correctly paired and connected, tuck them back into the junction box and reinstall the cover. Grab the screwdriver and secure the insulation brackets to the countertop. Alright, moving along, time to install the drain hose. For my dishwasher, the drain hose needs to have a height of 18 inches to 40 inches from the base of the dishwasher. This is to avoid water getting siphoned from the tub. Before putting the front cover on, and you've got the water back on, just check your water line, make sure that there's no leaks. Just about done. Time to install the front cover and turn the power on. Now, time to give it a quick test. Run a load of dishes. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please leave a comment and subscribe.